Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little different because my friends and I are planning to make a vision board live as we record this video. The twist is that they live in another city, Bangalore, and we'll have to sort of video call them and then do it. I'll have the screen here so that you can see what they're doing, but that's basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making our vision board, talking about our vision for 2025 and what we learned this year and everything else. But yeah, if you've not done any activity like this with your friends, you really need to do it. It's so much fun. I hope this turns out to be anything that I can upload. At the end of the day, that's all I want. But yeah. So everyone, that's Tanushka. Say hi. And then that is the other one's Mokshata. Say hi properly.
Hello.
Yeah, so we're gonna do like a vision board thing today because we're just that fun to begin with. But yeah, so what we've done for now is we've painted our vision boards. I painted mine red. Tanushka's painted her pink, which she's gonna show right now.
I made mine's white only because I thought she was lazy.
Yeah,
She's saying
basically. So Mokshata hasn't colored hers because she wanted hers to be white. Tanushka has colored hers hot pink because she wanted hers to be pink, and I've colored mine red. So yeah, we're gonna be sticking pictures we've printed out here, and yeah, we're just gonna be talking about life and what we plan on doing in 2025 in general, and just record that and have you guys watch it later. And that's basically it.
रुको एक सेकंड वेट नहीं पहले तुम
Okay, start it. Okay guys, Tanushka has like a announcement to make. She's told me to start recording and everything, so we're gonna listen to it and see my reaction.
I will put on my main. Yes. अब तुम्हें डांस तो डाल सकते हो.
Bro, what is happening?
अब तुम wait. I have to do this.
Okay, I'm a little nervous right now because I don't know. Mokshita knows what it is.
You will love it. It's like you will just be like, wow.
Listen, I think she's going somewhere abroad to study again or something like that. But or maybe she's getting a book published somewhere. But yeah.
I'm setting my camera. Okay. No, I'm okay. Guess like you have 3 guesses. Yes.
Okay, either it's your book getting published with like a publisher or whatever, or you're going somewhere abroad, or you're going
Third last option.
I honestly don't know.
कैसे सोचिए?
मुझे को बॉयफ्रेंड मिल गया है क्या? मेरे को लग तो नहीं है.
इतना I'll be embarrassed.
Yeah.
इतना pronounce नहीं करूँगी.
Did Tom Hiddleston reply to you on Instagram or something?
No.
Okay, I'm a little nervous. Very nervous.
So this year I didn't give you a birthday gift.
You did give me a birthday gift.
I didn't give you. That does not count. It was just a distraction. So now I have gotten your birthday gift. मुझे पता नहीं. I don't know when I'll meet you now. So I'm just showing it to you.
My birthday was in June, guys.
हाँ. Because it's a bit too heavy and a bit too delicate to put in my suitcase. I feel like.
Okay. Is it a man that I want from Spain?
Oh God! Just show it to her. She booked by it. I learned how to book by it for you. Look.
Oh fuck! Oh God! Fuck. Okay, this needs a little. I'm scared you're gonna keep it with yourself now, but this needs a moment. What the fuck?
Cry. हाँ लग रहा है.
Fuck. Okay. How? When and how did this
This
happen?
is the dust jacket, okay?
Okay.
And the inside, oh, this is like I made cranes on the page, and the thing is red.
Did you really make it yourself?
Zara,
Bro, now I remove you from my clothes then.
you have to see your
And I have been uploading from like December 10th. हाँ, like that's it.
Damn.
मैं तुम्हें ऐड करूँगी और मेरे प्रोफाइल पे हाईलाइट होगा. Highlight देखना.
How? Where did you learn it from?
YouTube.
You learned it from YouTube. That is amazing. Wait, I need to text my friends about this. I am a little shaky.
Look it right now.
Shukit. So we're gonna start with the first picture, and I want to ask all of us, like all of us, what the first picture means. I'll start with Mokshita. I'm trying
Why?
so hard not to say Mokshita. But yeah, what's your first picture?
Okay, mine is Samantha's photo from Sex and the City.
Ooh, she's my
And
favorite character from the show. Who's yours?
My favorite character. I feel like I would relate to like Charlotte the most. because
Yeah.
of her energy from the beginning. But I want to be her now. And like this one says she's drinking like a martini and this says I love you but I love me more.
Yeah.
That to be like my
Your vibe.
You know that's
Motto.
you've seen the movie Sex and the City? That's what she tells the guy when she's breaking up with him.
Yeah, like with the ring wala story, right?
Yeah.
And because she wants to get the ring from herself.
Herself.
Yeah. What's your first picture, Tanushka?
Money in a bow.
Yeah, because we all need money. And
Because
we
I
all-
want money, but I want it to be a gift to me. I don't want to work very hard for it. I just want it.
That's a good one. Mine is also kind of similar. Mine is money with passport because I want money and I want to travel. So I want money for traveling. So that's what the first picture is gonna be.
Are we sticking it also now?
Wait.
Yeah.
This is very clear to like everybody on your channel now. Like I have some trauma from this.
It's okay to have trauma. We all have trauma. Trauma builds personality.
It makes you funny, though.
Yeah.
But then my
I'm still waiting for her to be funny. But yeah. Maybe in a year she will be funny.
Maybe.
Okay, so Mel, I feel like I'm very funny, and my biggest concern is if someone and stop being funny.
Listen, Tanushka, be honest. Do you think Mokshita is funny?
Mokshita.
नहीं.
Coffee कुछ मैं बोलने वाली थी coffee order करनी चाहिए थी फिर I would have said all.
I think Mokshita's humor is very 5 साल के
It's
बच्चे
very
जैसा.
like, you know, kabhi kabhi randomly she gets funny, but at her core she is not funny.
Okay.
That's a little mean, guys. Let's not be mean to Mokshita. She's just been
But
through
you're a
a
kind person.
situationship
You're not
breakup.
that.
Okay, my next picture is gonna be this because I really
What? Which one?
nice, no?
Good. Yeah. Mokshita is not allowed.
Yeah.
What?
If Mokshita is putting any guy's picture, we're tearing it. We don't.
There is no boys photo with me.
Good.
It's just studying and traveling and like clothes and shoes and stuff.
Yeah, good. Bro, I should have put on my Prada bags.
I did
photo.
coach.
I know I can't afford it, so मेरे को डालने का फायदा नहीं है और ऐसा कुछ एक साल में होने जाएगा कि मैं बिलियनियर बन जाऊँ तो I didn't put it. अपनी औकात में रह के डाला है मैंने चीजें.
कोच तो मैं खरीद सकती हूँ ना.
कोच खरीद ले ब्रो. कोच
और
तो
कोच
खरीद.
का मुझे मोस्टली एक चेरी का चार्म चाहिए और ना बैग तो वो.
I saw that on Hala's picture on a Hala. You know, you follow Hala, guys?
No.
I sent you her videos. You watched all her videos. The one who is like goes for Pakistani dholkis and all that. She does get ready with me. She lives in Canada.
Oh, yeah. I don't know her username.
I love her. Hala is the best. I've put on 2 pictures, guys.
Academic weapon. Bahai. Like this and all that good stuff.
Okay.
What else is up with you guys? What are your plans for 2025? For something you really want in 2025?
GMAT.
That's really nice. So, if you guys did not know, Tanushka is an author. She's published 2 books, which one she doesn't want to talk about, but one is called The Publicity Stunt. It's inspired by a Bollywood movie called Janate Janana, and it's also inspired by a lot of. It's also inspired by Lilo. If you like Lilo from the Addicted series, it's inspired by them and also a Bollywood couple called what was Meow's name?
Aditi.
Aditi, yeah, Jay.
Kabhi Aditi.
Aditi and Jay from Janatiya Janana. So she's written a book inspired by those characters, those 2 couples, and it's great. It's second chance romance. It's great. So if you haven't read it, read it. I keep promoting a book, but she doesn't give me any money for it.
I only give her books that I bind.
Yes, and that's enough of a price for me. But yeah, you should read it. She's writing her second book, which is going to be crazy. I've read a little bit of it. It's called The Night Shift. It's about a killer and her stalker, and they're both doctors. So yeah, it's going to be something. It's going to be something. I don't know when she's publishing it. You can ask her herself.
I'll publish it when Taylor Swift releases Rep TV.
So Taylor Swift, you have one job. You have one job.
Yes.
In 2025, and that is putting Rep TV out, because
That is the
otherwise.
next thing on my vision board, guys. Rep TV.
Oh, mine is this. See, academic weapon. Because I need to like give my paper and get like prepare for my masters.
मैंने ये सब डाला नहीं है. मैंने सिर्फ academic scholarship डाल दिया ऊपर से कि कुछ हो. मैं कुछ करूँ ना करूँ. मैं कुछ करूँ ना करूँ, मुझे scholarship मिल जानी चाहिए.
Look at this.
बहुत पढ़ाकू हो तुम.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. What is it that you want in 2025 the most? Except yours, पढ़ाई, please. We've heard about it.
Also, other than that, I think I want to work on something creative. I think I told you this, told the both.
Honestly, you should work on doing her books as art, I would say.
Artwork?
Yeah.
Because I feel like, I'll tell you, so I actually have an art page also, which I haven't used in like a year or like, I don't know.
I'll put the links and everything here.
And so like I used to make clay jewelry and like actually used to sell it.
Okay.
And I've made like magnets and like used to paint
Yeah.
canvas. So I've been so out of touch. But also, okay, like I'm saying some YouTube, but then I got into like NIST for masters and I got into like I had like what is
That's
the rank?
insane.
What do you say? All India rank, like 4 in like Army Institute of like Fashion Technology. So I'm like good at it. I just feel like I just don't have enough time to do it. But I want to pursue something like creative next year for sure. I feel like both of you like are so into, but and both of you do like follow like your creative pursuits
Yeah,
a lot.
I do. I write a lot. I don't really share it as much because it's quite depressing what I write, but I love writing it.
You written cute things also.
I've not actually seen her writing at all, by the way.
I don't write prose. I've tried writing books and all, but I just can't get like
scenes,
yeah. I can write scenes.
like on her book Insta.
Huh.
There's like a
A
few
fic, huh.
scenes that she's written about.
Yeah, I like writing scenes, but I can't write like a whole book. I feel like it's just a lot for me. I can write like short stories and I can write like poems, but a book as a whole is something that I can't. At least not at this current moment. I can't think of. I get bored of writing the same thing again and again. I think I just need a little more variety when I write.
See, now the next thing on my board is this picture of Tom Hiddleston hugging a girl, but that girl supposed to be me in
Okay.
2025.
I get that.
Very specific, and it better happened.
Honestly, I dreamt of meeting Tom Hiddleston when I was in London, and I was like, I told her that if I meet him and I call you, video call you, and you don't pick up, that's your loss.
I'll kill myself.
Yeah, I told her you'll kill yourself, but yeah, whatever.
All
So
we do-
mine kind of looks like this right now. See?
What?
This is how
Oh,
mine
I
looks.
like it. No, mine is not so in order. It's like
Okay, I'm gonna make it very like collage.
I'm trying to make it collagey, but I'm failing because I'm not really good at art.
Like happy.
Better fucking stick, bro.
I hate Fevicol. I hate it.
Fevicol se, Fevicol se.
Hoping when I asked you, you'd say Fevistick, but you said Fevicol. Like बहुत bully करते हैं लोग.
हाँ, मजे आते हैं.
But that is the point, na. Somebody has to get bullied in a group, otherwise it just becomes too boring. You can team up with me and bully Tanushka if you want to, but
No. Not allowed.
did you guys notice how nobody's trying to bully me here because they know they can't?
Oh yeah, but stop acting like a man. ज़्यादा वो कर रही हो.
Please, that is very
ज़्यादा
insulting.
male behavior चल रहा है तुम्हारा यहाँ पे. I have this other book friend. You must have seen her on my story. Her name is Isabella.
Yeah.
Instagram friend, no?
And the day she told me that she's a Gemini, I was not even surprised because she and Mel literally talk the same way. That oh, I'm so funny. I give the best book recs. Like I am the greatest person on earth. And I'm just like, कि तुम क्या ऐसे सब मिलके decide करते हो कि कैसे बात करनी होती है internet पे?
I think Geminis are just hated for no reason because people can't adapt to our adaptability.
I'm a Gemini and she's been mean to me since like 8th grade and I hate her so much.
That's your loss. Maybe she's just like
But then Mokshita is a Pisces.
let's not get started with the Pisces.
Mel has a very
Very long history with Pisces, men and women.
I feel like I bring some softness to this trip to you. Like,
but किसको चाहिए softness?
Yeah, you keep it to yourself. Like you keep it to yourself. Who wants to be soft in this economy?
I'm just gonna start crying, guys. Welcome to Mel's YouTube channel. Today you will see
Mokshita
cry.
She's not even opened her canvas yet.
इतनी सारी हैं.
One I'm putting, which is because we need it. We're going for a concert that we've booked the tickets for, but we don't have the visa yet. So
Yes!
we need Schengen. We really don't have the visa. So if we don't get Schengen visa, we're not going, and we've already paid for the tickets.
मिला तो मिल जाएगा मुझे लगता है.
हमें मिल जाएगा.
We need
इतना
to.
stress लेते हो ना.
Bro, Race was such a good movie. I never saw it coming at that age. He bro, Katrina Kaif, my favorite
I was
girl.
so upset actually
Me too.
because Katrina Kaif died.
Oh yeah.
What the hell?
Honestly, whoever made that movie is a dumbass because how can you kill Katrina Kaif? Like,
Literally.
what is wrong with you? Aperol Spritz, yeah.
They
I
should
hate it. I hate it so much.
Even I don't like it at all. It's so sad.
It's just like it's just not
It's
great.
very orangey flavored.
I usually like orangey flavored stuff, but this was not it. Like I think my friend Amy made me try it and I just hated it so much.
Mokshita.
I feel like all the Pisces, they think they're, oh my god, I'm so soft, I understand people on deeper level and stuff like that, but they're just like slightly stupid and like very, what do you say, gullible. Do you deny you're gullible?
No, I was, but like I feel like I'm learning.
हाँ, ये मेरी संगत में है कि सही होगा सिर्फ.
गलत में बहुत ज़्यादा थी भाई. ये तो कुछ नहीं है. इससे ज़्यादा सोचो मैं तो थक जाऊँ.
I've had friends who've told me, no, you don't understand him like I do. मैं थप्पड़ लगा दूँगी. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
तुम्हारा तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे क्यों?
Because I'm a little with the दिमाग.
Organized, aesthetic.
नहीं aesthetic तो हमारा लगेगा. आपका बहुत प्रोफेशनल लग रहा है.
हाँ. कि मैंने ये करना ही करना है अब. मैंने ये सारे पूरे करने हैं. What is your favorite Taylor Swift song? Like I know Tanushka's, but it keeps changing. So the one she relates to the most is maybe You're on Your Own Kid and I Can Do It With a Broken Heart. But her favorite is Getaway Car.
Yeah.
What's yours, Mokshita? I keep saying
Yes, Karo.
Mokshita.
Guess.
I think yours will do all too well.
It's true.
Bro, I am just never wrong. Like, have you guys
But
noticed?
like, I also really like Delicate, but I've realized that All Too Well is my favorite.
I'm just simply never wrong. I've never been wrong once in my life. Like, I'm
झूठ
so.
नहीं बोल सकती थी. देखो अब.
Yeah, but reaction, I'm gonna face the reaction. Looks so aesthetic. 1 second.
Yeah, it really does. Mine looks so professional.
Yeah.
Mine looks so professional.
Yeah.
Who wants to show first?
Tanushka.
Get out of this. Look at mine.
So cute.
Okay, now tell me a few pictures. Explain a few pictures.
So mainly everything in this is about me wanting to have money. I don't want to work hard for it. I just wanted to appear in under my pillow or something.
Yeah.
There is Rap TV. Please, Taylor Swift. Please, enough. And there is New York and Draco Malfoy and Tom Hiddleston Honey, a girl who will be me.
Okay.
Pure. Yes.
That's nice. That's cute. That's really nice. I hope we get everything you want. You get everything you want, not me. But yeah, I want to.
We'll all get Rap TV.
We'll all get Draco Malfoy also. At least I would want him. So, yeah. Moksha, do you want to go next or should I go next?
I'll show you guys back. Okay.
Her is very creative with the stickers and the tape and everything. It's very
Scrapbooky.
yeah, scrapbook. I want mine to be like that, but I'm not that talented.
Okay, so basically my entire vision board is about traveling and studying, being an academic veteran next year, but also having great experiences, like having the best time of my life and not being sad because I've been really sad.
2025 will get better if you stay away from men. It has to. She recently finished it.
I don't want anybody, I just love them.
Okay. I will watch Star Wars 1. Today is not the day. I'll understand.
It is so good and ask me how to watch it and then like
I kinda, you know how some things when boys like something you automatically start hating it. That's kind of like me with Star Wars. Like I just don't care enough about it because boys like it. I don't think it makes sense.
But I know so many people, like boys I'm saying, that like don't have to watch it and are go
That's okay. Enough boys in my life like it and I just don't want to like it. And I know I'll probably like it if I watch it. So yeah. So mine is this. And
10K followers.
yeah.
Skincare.
Okay, so mine has travel. So we're planning to go to Europe, me, Mokshita and Tanush this year.
We are going to Europe.
If we get the Schengen visa which I've added here,
Planning to get the visa.
when we get the visa we'll go because Schengen visa is hard to get. But I get Schengen visa also here. I'll show you guys. See, Schengen visa is right here. So yeah, that's most of like Europe and traveling. And what else is there? Concerts. Money, a lot of money and driving, spending time with skincare, it's a bit of everything. So yeah, I also have like added a new house here, which I probably should start investing for. But yeah, that's kind of like my vision board. We'll probably upload like pictures of it as well. But yeah, I'm quite proud of it also. See?
Visa. I see Xavier.
बोलते कहाँ गया यहाँ
आ गया वो
आ गया देखो वो आ गया. But that's it for this video. This will take a while to edit. I don't know how when I'll upload this. So maybe first week of January. But say thank you to I will say thank you to Mokshita and Tanushka for joining me, which was a lot of fun. Even though they are very slow with doing things, I was the first one to finish it, as obvious. But I had a lot of fun. We will probably do something similar on New Year's as well. I don't know if we'll record it, but we'll definitely do something chaotic on New Year's. But yeah, thank you for
When do we
watching. Bye.